Welcome back to another video. So I've got a quick, well I hope it'll be quick. I've got a set of gel polishes from Amazon. This is the brand. Again, it's another brand I've never heard of. Umikk Impressive Work gel nail polish set. Right, so it's 21 colours and you get a base coat, a top coat and a matte top coat. Natural resin, UV LED, nail strengthened, long lasting. Does it say anything else? Just that on the other side. I really like this box. Really good quality box. I think you all know by now. With me, packaging is everything. So, I really like how it's packaged actually. Let me open it. So, we've got your little instruction booklet. And it's a really good one as well. It's a really thick one. It's got everything you need to know in there about gel polish. Right, so they're all packaged like this. So your top coat, your base coat and your matte top coat are in the bigger bottles, which are 10ml, and they are glass bottles. And then the colours are all in smaller bottles. They are only 5ml bottles, but I think that's reflected in the price because they're really not expensive, not for this many gel polishes. So that's what the little coloured bottles look like. All the colours as well. They've all got the colours on the top, which I like, and the numbers. So yeah, I'm just going to get all these out and we will get swatching. Right, so I've just got the first row. Just do the first row. So it looks like they're all numbered U022 up to 042, I think it is. So let's have a look at the base coat. I'm just going to put base coat on the first swatch stick just to see what it's like. So yeah, it's a nice consistency actually. It's not thick, it's not thin. So let's just stick this on just to make sure it cures and make sure it's got a bit of a tacky layer. So I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we'll get these colours swatched. Whilst that's curing, let's have a quick look at the No Wipe Top Gel. Yeah, these are 10ml. The matte top, the base coat and this one. Yeah, that's a nice consistency as well. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Hasn't got a smell to it at all. It hasn't even got a gel smell. Right, and the matte top coat, oh I like this. It's in a matte bottle. And the lid's matte as well. I really like that. So this is one of them milky kind of matte top coats. Let's have a whiff. Even the matte top coat doesn't smell of anything. Matte top coats sometimes can really stink, but yeah, that doesn't smell of anything either. Right, let me get the lids off all of these. I haven't looked at these at all, so I don't know what colours are in here either. It looks like there's a whole array of different colours. Looks like there's quite a few. This first row, they all look like pastels to me, which is nice. So I think I'll just swatch the first couple with you because there's quite a few to get through. And I'll probably just stick some music on in a minute and let you watch. So this one looks like a really nice kind of creamy colour. I've run out of my normal swatch sticks, so I'm having to use these stilettos, which I like these swatch sticks for polygel, but not for gel polish because this hump, the gel polish just doesn't like covering that hump, so I'm only going to go halfway over the hump because I don't like it. So just ignore the top part. Gel polish just doesn't like to go over them humps. That's really nice actually. Just a really pale creamy colour, isn't it? Looks white on camera but it's not. It's a really pale cream colour like the top of the lid. But it's very opaque. Right, let's get that one cured. So we'll do one more and then I'll probably just put some music on. Any that need 2 coats, I'll give them a second coat off camera. So this looks like a pale pastel kind of lilac. We don't want that hair on there. Yeah, this first row all looks like pastels. Oh, that's a pretty pastel colour, isn't it? Yeah, that's pretty. Pastel colours is one thing I don't really have a lot of. Bloody fluff. Yeah, that's a pretty colour. I like that. That's very pigmented as well and opaque. One coat. Beautiful. Very, very pale lilac, isn't it? Gorgeous. Right, I'm going to stick some music on now. I'll show you the numbers on top of the swatch sticks as I'm going through them, and then you'll know what they are. So I'll meet you back at the end and we'll have a chit chat, tell you what I think about them. Bloody hell, that was a long one. Right, what I've done, I don't normally do this, but I've done them half glossy, half matte. Because the swatch sticks are quite long ones, I thought, yeah, you might be able to see them a bit better. So I've split them all up. This is all the pastel ones. Look at all them beautiful colours. All them pastels. I really like the matte as well. It's a really, really nice matte. Really nice matte. Quite impressed with that. It's quite difficult to show you. But yeah, it's just a really, really nice matte. It's got no sheen to it. It hasn't got that rubbery feel. And the glossy is really nice and glossy as well. I like this. This is a really unusual colour. It's like a really, really pale lime green pastel. So there's some really, really nice pastel colours there. Really nice ones. I really like them. Right, and then in this set, it's got a bit of a neon set. A bit of a neon collection in with it, look. Look at all them. I mean, the red's just a red really, but they are quite neon. The blue, as usual, is always jelly-like, always. But I really like that matte. It's proper matte. So we've got a bit of a neon collection in with it as well. And then we've got the glittery ones. I'll give all these a matte top coat as well. Some glittery polishes look alright with matte and some don't, but look at that red. I really like that red. I don't know why, but they look better that way, don't they? That red, it's beautiful. We've got two silvers, one's hollow. Look, the matte top coat completely takes the hollow away, doesn't it? And then we've got a bit of a bronzy gold. And then this blue one, I like this blue one in matte. It's got little chunky hexes in that one as well. All these glittery ones have had 2 coats, but all the neons, all the pastels, they are all just 1 coat. It's just these glittery ones that I gave 2 coats to. I'm really impressed with that matte though. It's a really nice matte. So yeah, that's all of them swatched. I can get them all put away. I'm so happy with these pastels because, yeah, I don't really have a lot of pastels. I've got every colour pastel I could ever need now. But yeah, the top base and matte are all 10ml bottles, so they're quite big. And the colours are all little 5ml bottles. They just remind me of the sets of Beatles polishes these do. The way the package, the box, everything. All reminds me of Beatles. But anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave the link below. Can't remember how much it was, but I know it wasn't a lot. I've got a few sets of gel polishes recently. Some of them that I think are quite expensive. I've not bothered swatching or doing a video on them. I'm only doing videos on gel polishes if I think they're worth the money really. And yeah, I think this is definitely worth the money what they're charging. So I'll leave the link below. If you want to go and check it out. Brilliant for summer, I think. Brilliant for summer. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn your notifications on as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.